What's happening, people? Good afternoon. It's 4:30 GMT plus 3 Europe time. I'm here with Joao Monteiro, founder and CEO at Forex Cube. Joe, big welcome. How you doing?
Very well, thank you. Thank you once again for inviting me and to be with people live, especially to all the Forex Cube and now Forex C followers.
I know we have a big announcement today.
We do.
We're going to disclose it in just a minute or so. But till then, guys, we're exactly 30 seconds into the New York opening. Let's ring the bell like we do every day. Welcome to the New York trading sessions, guys. New York Stock Exchange is open for 30 seconds. We're going to get onto the charts. We're going to see some very interesting articles in the next few minutes. But first, we have a big announcement. Officially started yesterday. Forex Cube became
Forex C.
Forex C.
Correct.
First of all, congratulations, Joe.
Thank you.
You've done it.
Thank you.
I know you've been planning this for quite a while since we started doing the first podcast together.
It's an ongoing process. I think as we mentioned to most of our clients already, it's a progress. It's a work in progress. It's the evolution of adding more platforms, of making a more premium platform, more premium brands. We also, at the same time, as you might understand, we wanted to differentiate ourselves a bit from the crowd. We noticed during the last couple of years that we have a few brokers already using the word cube.
That would be my next question.
Yes.
What led to this rebranding?
Yes. So we identified there's a lot of brokers already cube. I don't want to say names now, but there was already some brokers using similar denomination, similar description, and so we felt that Forex C, it's simple, it's easy. We are adding a bit more professional tools to our offering, and we felt that let's make it easy. Let's make it a Forex C experience. Doesn't need to be in a cube or have any other shape or form. It's just a matter of making it more easy and intuitive. And I think Forex C ends up to be a simple version of Forex Cube. We also want to simplify the trading for all our customers. So this is the goal of making it simple, easy, and to boost your trading.
For everyone. Okay. Now, let's have a quick look at the new website, guys. This is it. Yeah, it's forexc.com. Or if you go on forexcube.com, you will be redirected automatically, right?
Correct.
Yes. All right. Let's have a quick look at the new website. We can see the same fast response from the customer support, the global awarded customer support. Well done for that.
Yes. Our priority number one.
I heard that were they nominated again this year for best customer support?
Best customer support, and also to the best brands in Africa, which is a region with which we have been targeting. We have been getting a lot of response, positive response from worldwide, but mostly from specific regions like Africa, Latin America, and so on. So we are always happy to be nominated. On awards, and it's just a recognition of the continuous efforts that my team is putting daily, and
very well done. Very well done. Now, again, you see at the top section of the website, I see that hasn't changed. It's just as it was before.
We feel that it's the easiest way to find the information, simple and well classified in order to be easy to navigate.
I love the new look. It looks very futuristic, man.
Yes.
You had very good web designers on this one. It's very futuristic.
Yes, we try to be in line with what are the new trends, and we just make it appealing, but at the same time user friendly. It's
very competitive.
Because information is there. We have a lot of new sections which have been kind of having a bit more attention to the detail, such as the learning section, which we haven't had opportunity to dedicate too much time before. We want to be in fact side by side with the clients on the learning curve and on all the experience, and getting some guides and tutorials for our clients. At the same time, also a section that has been getting quite a lot of interest is the market signals. I think we find a lot of information, especially on social media, of different signal providers. Our signals are working. As a matter of fact, I've been sharing it.
I know you've been texting them. Yeah.
Within my personal social media as well. I've been testing it myself. It's been working. I share every day, either is positive or negative result on the day, and I think you should definitely try. Why not? It's free. It's available for everyone, and you can even test it on the demo account if you like.
Of course, but the one thing we have to mention is that the trading signals are not 100% accurate.
Absolutely,
no one
no.
can give
I think
us that.
Trading signals come with the importance of the risk management in place. I think there's no holy grail. There's no magic information. There's information that been provided by different technical analysts that we cooperate, and so this information can change in result of any news or any impact of any event during the day. So we need always to be paying attention to the small details, to all the information going live, especially on these 2 daily
Broadcast.
broadcasts.
Yes, the market openings, which are very important.
In our opinion, gives quite very interesting over information about how the market is reacting in the morning.
Thank you for the kind words.
And at the end of in the afternoon on the US opening. And so I think it's a matter of being informed. But when we have information available in our website that can be complementary and help you on being successful on the trading, why not? So give it a try.
I understand. Right. One more question, because I know you have to go. I know you have an appointment and you can only give us a few minutes today. What's next for Forex? What is the next big move? Is there anything else big happening before the year end?
There is. We are preparing many new events and new tools and new. I would say we have a competition being prepared, which will be.
I know about
which
that.
Will be live as well. We had a small delay because we are in fact making sure that all the technology and all the information is accurate, because on trading and on the financial markets there's no space for error, and so we are making sure everything is in line with our levels of efficiency. And so we are testing everything, but the competition that is coming soon is going to be huge.
I know, and I'm dying for the announcement.
Testing that, we are also working on a few more updates in terms of having possible new platforms and new technology also in place. Our offering, as you know, it's always visible,
very competitive. I can say that
with what has been the market. We have something I was even discussing with the team today. We are one of the few brokers which in fact have the audit of the execution. Our trading execution, our spreads, the way we place our trades in the market is audited
nicely
by
done.
independent entity, which I don't think there's many brokers doing so. So this is also one extra layer of commitment from our end. And as a full STP broker, we take care of that all the trades are placed at the more accurate price and without
right. One more last tiny question before I let you go.
Sure.
So with the new face of the company, with the rebranding and everything, did the commission change in any way? Because Forex Cube was one of the most competitive Forex brokers in terms of commission.
No, we don't change in things that are working well. So our commission structure is in fact one of the best in the market nowadays. Our standard account remains the same. Our pro account as well remains the same, with one of the lowest STP ACN commissions in the market of $3 round turn. So we are comfortable with what we have. We are growing step by step, but I think it's the overall opinion is being great, and I think now these new changes we are taking it to a much better level.
Right. Again, thank you so much for being with us today. And congratulations once again for the change. It finally happened.
Thank you for inviting me.
Right, guys, we had Joao Monteiro, founder and CEO at Forex with us today. We're coming back live in about 30 seconds and we continue the market opening, and we're going to have a look at the charts and see what else happened. Coming back live in 30 seconds. Right, guys, we're back. Let's have a look at the US opening and see how the assets reacted after the US opening. This morning, again, we saw oil trading very, very low, just below the 37 mark. Currently, he's trading at 37.27. Apparently, there was a bit of a correction on the markets today. Let's have a quick look at the Euro USD. And yes, guys, finally, the Euro is pushing higher and higher. Finally, the correction that we've all waited for, including myself. I think I'm amongst those people that waited this correction the most. Okay, now let's move on to the pound. The pound, again, very, very shy with the correction, as the bad news coming from UK that the UK government, the UK Parliament is looking to potentially scrap the Brexit agreement. We will have more details as we go along. And of course, on the 15th of October, we're going to see a final response, because that's when the meeting with the European Union will happen. Moving on, looking at the USD JPY today, the USD strength is finally easing off. Okay, we see the dollar not having the power to push as much as it did in the last few days. Good rally, though. Good rally for the USD JPY pair. Moving on to the Aussie dollar, US dollar. We see the Aussie dollar again correcting after a very long drop that lasted for a couple of days. USD Canadian, again, USD is weakening, guys. We're going to have a look at the news in a couple of minutes and see what's the reason behind that. I can tell you out front, one of the reasons might be the fires, the wildfires that you have in California. Apparently, they're intensifying every day. And obviously, discovering new COVID cases in the States does not support the situation in any way. Right, let's have a look at the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones, which took a massive plunge, started on Thursday with a massive sell-off, guys. Again, we saw a negative opening today, but hopefully we're going to see signs of some sort of a correction, at least on the S&P 500 and on the Dow Jones. There you go. Dow Jones open positive today. We can see a tiny gap over there. Let's hope, for the ones of us that need a stronger Dow Jones, let's hope the Dow Jones will keep on pushing today. Apple opened stronger as well. Amazon as well. Nvidia, which is doing really well. Okay, so good day for the American stocks. We see the US dollar index finally dropping, guys. For the ones of us that need a weaker dollar, it finally happened. So you see, the rally doesn't last forever. Even if you get caught on the other side of the trade, with a bit of patience, with a bit of flexibility, very likely at some point you will get into a bit of profit. Okay, quick look at gold. You can clearly see the negative correlation between gold and the dollar index. Yeah, negative correlation. They move in opposite directions. So every time you see the dollar pushing downwards, you can go for a buy position on gold, or at least that's what most traders do. Light crude again got a slight boost today. It's currently trading at $31.95, just short of the $40 mark. Okay, let's hope this correction will last a bit longer, giving some traders a bit of profit. Silver futures, as well as the gold futures, are rising slightly as the US dollar corrects. Let's have a look at Tesla, guys, which took a massive hit once the S&P 500 basically rejected their proposal of getting listed on the American index. Okay, it plunged from $502 on Friday afternoon, all the way down to $329, guys. Massive, massive dive for Tesla. Okay, apparently today opened on a positive note, and if these gaps will be filled, then many traders will target some good profits around the 440 mark, 420 mark, somewhere over there. Okay, moving on, moving on. Facebook opened on a positive, but it's declining slightly. Probably the markets will react more in the next couple of hours. Alibaba, the same, just as Facebook, opened on a positive note, but now it's currently dropping slightly. Bitcoin, guys, Bitcoin, which keeps pushing since this morning. Okay, if you look at the charts, you can see it bounced so many times. It bounced about 7 times from the support level at 9985, which we see there, and is currently heading to the resistance levels at 10395. Okay, hopefully with a bit of positivity on the market today, we'll push a bit higher. Many traders are already targeting the 11,000 mark, yeah, as the first take profit level. Right, this is what is happening with the markets today. Finally, we see a bit of a correction after 3 constant days of strong dollar, weak European currencies, yeah, and very weak American indices. Finally, today the correction has started. Will the correction last till the end of the week? Because tomorrow we have a big day in the economic calendar, guys. Okay, let's have a quick look. Okay, today, oh, sorry, before I forget, in 40 minutes, guys, we have the Cushing crude oil inventories. Yeah, and tomorrow we have the crude oil inventories, as long as the ECB interest rate decision. So in the Eurozone tomorrow, very, very big news. We're going to have a press conference shortly after. It's going to be a very, very good trading day, hopefully. Okay, this was it from my side today. I don't want to hold you for too long. Remember to trade responsibly and make all your trades be in the money. I'll see you tomorrow morning at European market opening.